Welcome back everyone. This video is for the people who are not seeing the Only You feature on Spotify, and you can try some steps which will hopefully make it work. I'll show you on an iPhone and on an Android phone, and also please watch till the end as there are some conditions you need to meet in order to be eligible for the Only You feature. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notification. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So first, let's look at troubleshooting it on an Apple device. So the first step you need to take is to make sure Spotify is updated to the latest version. So go over to your App Store and search for Spotify. Now make sure Spotify is updated to the latest version. Open Spotify and then tap on the search tab. You should see the Only You at the top. If you still don't see this option, then close Spotify and move on to step 2. In step 2, open any web browser on your iPhone. Now search for Spotify Only You. You should see the result Only You on Spotify. Tap on it and then this should take you to your Only You feature in Spotify. If you still don't see that option, then move on to step 3. For this step, make sure you know your username and password for your Spotify account. So, delete your Spotify app and reinstall it fresh from the App Store. So this will remove all your Spotify cache data and install a fresh copy of Spotify app. Now open your Spotify app and see if you get it. So hopefully following the above steps, you'll be able to get your Only You feature on Spotify on your Apple devices. Now let me show you on an Android device. Step 1 is to make sure you have your Spotify app updated from the Google Play Store. So open your Google Play Store, now search for Spotify and make sure Spotify is updated to the latest version. Once updated, try opening Spotify and see if you can see the Only You feature. It should appear on the home screen, but if you don't see it there, then tap on the search tab at the bottom and it should appear there. Now, if you don't see it in these two places, then move on to step 2. On step 2, open up any web browser on your phone, search for Spotify Only You. You should see a link like this appear in the search result reading Only You on Spotify. Click on it and that should take you to a black screen. At the top, tap on Open App. Now this will take you into your Spotify and it should show you your Only You feature. If you still don't see it, then move on to step 3. For this step, make sure you know your Spotify username and password, as this will remove all the data related to Spotify. On step 3, go to your settings, application, find Spotify, now tap on storage, then tap on clear data and clear cache. Now go back to the home screen and open your Spotify app. It will ask you to log in again, so enter your username and password. Now check on your home tab or your search tab for the Only You feature. And now if you still don't see the Only You feature after following all those steps before, then it could be one of the reasons on screen. Here are some facts to be eligible for the Only You feature. Number 1, you have listened to at least 30 seconds of 30 or more songs across 5 artists in the last 6 months. If your account is created after the 24th of May 2021, you will not be eligible for this feature. Only users eligible for at least 3 stories will see the campaign, so no one should see fewer than that. iOS and Android on minimum app version 8.6.26, and both premium and free users can take part in the Only You campaign. And there you go. Hopefully you get to see your Only You feature for Spotify. My name is Karthik and you're watching Simple Dad. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.